What up, beautiful people? This is your guy, Mr. Holistic. We off grid right now. Let's go. Let's go. In the wee hours in the morning. Make sure everybody get on. How everybody doing? What up, Patrice? Denara, what up, mama? Like I said, we here. Baby. Supreme Risings. We're about to get started. You guys remember last night when we was talking about that Fibonacci retracement on gold? Look, 61.8 on the dot. And it jumped up from literally 3,000 and remember what we gave the 2011, 2014 zone? 2011, 2014. She gave you 110 pips. That little Fibonacci play gave 110 pips last night while we were sleeping. Right when we got off. From the video that I made you guys. From the video. Bam, 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 bam. What's happening? My guy Mark is at. Let me tell him we over here on YouTube. Supreme Rising, Papa. On the money. Let's reset everything. How everybody doing? Bum, 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 bum. It's okay. Now we know exactly who it is, Patrice. They didn't realize it was a setup. It was a setup. What up, Kareem? What up, Reen? What up, Shamanta? We set them up, Patrice. So as you come in the live, click the thumbs up. Recognize that you're in the live. Keep the actual live stream on the algorithm. And we're going to go from there. Let's do some basic analysis today. Back to the basics. Look at gold. This is your weekly. Yeesh. I like this weekly candle. How everybody doing? How y'all doing? What up, Garrett? What up, Chantel? What up, Simon? What up, Eric? What up? It's Just Jay. What's happening? Andrea, what's happening? Netta, what's happening? I like it a lot. Here's the daily. Here's the daily, baby. I think we're gonna get new dailies. I think our weekly roof is gonna be our daily roof. Oh no, we got a roof right here. We gotta tap it. We gotta tap it. Oh yeah. I almost didn't wake up on your ass. I almost thought, you know what, man, you got a real day off right now. But I said, nah, we gotta do it. 3,133 to 3,054. This is the daily range. This is where the money is at. And you gotta understand, your boy is all the way down here at that 2960. That 2960. We still in. We still in. We jumped up to about almost like 2K yesterday. So I think today I think we should get a massive drop today. We should get a massive drop today. If not, it's gonna take us to the heavens, but we should get a drop today. We should get a drop today. Boom, 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 boom. Or she's gonna go make a new weekly high, which I'm excited about too. I'm excited about. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. What's happening? Click the thumbs up as you walk in. Let me know you here. What up, Marty Mar? What up? What up? Mr. 2, what's that? What's that? Mr. 200. Mr. 200, what's happening? What's happening? So let's find those gaps real quick on that 4 hour. So Jamal, if you in here, I got a new student in here, guys, that basically just signed up yesterday with our program. So let me show you something real quick, bro. On the daily, we always trap the daily floor, the daily roof, which is this candle right here. But when the candle is like weak, and then there's a big wick right here, I always take the parameters where I can see it wicked here, basically came up here and dropped, and came down here and pulled back up. Stopped here, dropped again, you see? Came through here, pulled back up, retesting the zone. So now once again, overall, gold is going up. I see gold going to like 3,500. But some people don't have the balls to hold for another 3,000 something pips. So what they do is they want to scalp, meaning they want to go in and out of the market, in and out of the market. So if that is how you like to trade, that is what you do, because you have a good position in the morning and then you find yourself chasing a better position, trying to find a better position, which is a worse position than you had in the morning. So I go to the 4 hours, meaning every candle represents 4 hours. So I'll go to the 4 hours. After I trap the day, I always look for the gaps. See these little gaps right here? See these gaps right here? Let me get a pointer so you can see them directly. That is a gap in the market, and this is what we call a one-leg monster. And now that I see that the one-leg monster is sticking out right here, we fix that. Boom. There's our adjustment. There's our adjustment. Bye out. Let's go. We got a 31.33 to a 31.30. Yeah. Boom. That's our sell zone. So what I would like to see gold do right now is pull up in here and then just drop back down up in here. She could easily drop to the floor. I don't even mind if she drops down here and then play from zone to zone and then go make an all-time high. I don't mind. I don't mind. Supreme Rising. Supreme Rising. What's up, Elizabeth Salgado? What up, Kelly Kale? What up, Crazy Steve? My guy Crazy Steve is back. Buy and hold. It's that simple, guys. That's right. That's right. Buy and hold. It's super simple. We're holding gold from a low, but I proved to you guys how to hold gold, and I showed you the power of a 0.10, 0.10. Yo, Crazy Steve, we changed the 0.10 to almost 17, almost $2,000 from Monday, buying gold at 29.60 and just holding her through all of this whole little ride right up in here. Like buying her down here and just setting it, forgetting it. Hold the gold, baby. We're going back to the gold standard. Hold the gold. Hold the gold. So, because people are literally playing back and forth, jumping in and out, for you guys, your movement is going to be right here. For me, I don't even get concerned with this movement because I'm already in it. And so what it does is just gives me more profits when it works out. But sometimes I like to hedge because I'm always doing one-on-ones. I'm always educating individuals who are in other positions than I am. As far as the long run, you guys are looking for more instant gratification than delayed. So therefore, I think my baby girl just woke up right now. I think my baby girl just woke up. Hold on a second. I told you I hear my baby calling. Hold on a second, bro.
Okay.
Everybody sleep in the house. She's standing.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
You want to go in? Here, you sit right here. All right. So here we go. So imagine everybody sleep in my house, and my 1-year-old is standing on the top of the stairs, screaming, "Daddy, Daddy!" And it is 4:12 in the morning. So yeah, let's look into it. Yeah, she's cute as hell. She's like standing on top. We have a big ass house, so she's like she's like up there by herself, like Daddy, Daddy. So she's in the cave right now. She came to the cave. I done brought her to the bat cave. What up, Shanisha? I done brought her to the bat cave. So let's go. Yeah, so I can see her coming here. Your next buy zones. I think with the news today, we're going to see some little hectic movements. We can easily see, like I said, 500 to 600 pip movement down, back up, just because of the way the market is moving right now. So I see us like a safer buy. Your safer buy back in is going to be 3,047 to 3,050. That would be a safe area for most to enter back in, right up in here for your daily. So we got, yeah, that's a little solid little 30 pip zone. So you ain't got to worry about much. It's a 30 pip zone. Risking 30 pips for almost 1,000 pips, I'll do it all day. I'll do it all day. So basically, if she closes outside of this zone, like over in here, for me, I hold. But at the same time, if you're looking to jump in right here, but you don't want to risk much, you're just looking for, say, 30 pips, 60 pips, 100 pips, you want to scalp, you can scalp this down, at least into this little structure right here before you start seeing some rejection. or buy it up once you see news basically affect the markets like that. I always say, don't try to catch the news candle, already be in position for the news candle. So imagine me being in a position when news hit, like I'm already in position, you see. So when position starts happening, like here, I'm like, boom, news, okay, boom, news, okay, boom, news, okay, tariffs are cool, boom, you see. I'm like, huh. And all we did was just complete the W over there. So the reason why I'm willing to give a scalp sale right now, because I know the W structure has been completed, and now she's going to approach the weekly high. So in order to approach the weekly high, as you see right here, she needs to drop down, find more buyers. Buyers are sitting right over in here on the 4 hour at 3,083. They're sitting over here at 3,054, where your actual buy zone is at. So this is where they are. So you can literally put your little trend right here and go, yo, she breaks the trend, that's where she's going. Boom. That's your projections on gold. You got 3,050 to 3,047 buy. That's a big buy for those who want to hold. 3,047 to 3,050. And buy and hold. To be honest, it's hard to kind of hold gold at a $3,000 price range unless you like saying, all right, 3 months from now, I'm going to check it. 4 months from now, I'm going to check it. 1 month from now, I want to check it. Because it never really been in this 3,000 range. It only went just recently up into 3,000, flew all the way up to 3,166, and then dropped all the way back down into 2,000s. So like 2009, 2000, like 2,900s and change and something like that. So when you see that, let me remind you where I'm at. Right there. I forgot they don't let me. And everybody had an opportunity to get this trade. It's good to see you back, crazy Steve. Good to see you back, bro. How you been? Yes, I agree with you, bro. I agree with you. Bam, there you go. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, it keeps so funny. Hella funny. Let's roll. Let's go over on NASDAQ. Like I keep telling you, I believe indice dies, gold flies. Indice dies, gold flies. Right now, you're dealing with a little bit of market manipulation from the markets, from the tariffs, from the Mr. DT, from the countries agreeing. So the market is really like unsteady. So what you have to do once again is stop jumping in and out the market and find a position, hold a position, and rock and roll with it. It's literally just that simple. It's literally just that simple. Find a position, hold a position, and let it play itself out. Once you get the results you're desired, you can take profits, take partials, set stop loss, or close your trade, close the app, close your broker, Hakuna Matata, go love on your kids, go hug a tree. So what I do on every chart, no matter what chart I'm charting, I go to the week, find the weekly high, which is literally just kind of like right up in here. The highest high of the week, boom. Why do I do that? Because that gives me my parameters, my weekly parameters. Let me see my recent weekly low, which is right here, and it flew up from there, you see? NASDAQ flew up from there on the weekly, but it's approaching the weekly trend. You see, that's a weekly trend. You can immediately see it. So when I'm looking at a weekly trend and I'm operating off a weekly, I'm like, yo, she's still rejecting. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4 sideways. 5, 6, 7, 8 times she rejected. So I start going, yo, in one more day, maybe, yes, maybe she pops up over here. Today, maybe she pushes up and then drops, just like this candle, you see? So how do we find that? We go to the day, we look at the daily candle and look at this guy right here. She's sitting right here. So that looks like he wants to blast off because the EMA 200 is here. So as much as I think the indices are dying, the market shows that it has bullish momentum, you see? The market is showing, the candles are showing today, in the next 9 hours and 39 minutes, you could see a push up from 18,785 to 20,024. You see, this is what the market shows. It could literally be a fake out, but the market shows that. So you have to go trap that day. I raise it up and I go, yo, this is the daily candle. It's bouncing off the actual wick right here. It's bouncing off the EMA 9. So it's creating a bottom right now. It's creating a daily floor. That's the daily floor. Yeesh. Yeesh, that would have been the daily floor. You know I like to do the trend line rejection trades. That could have been your scalp buy back up in there. Cause this is where to go. That's big boy range. Yeah, I like it though. I like it. Be safe for news. Be safe for news. Let's go to your 4 hour. Yeah, I believe she pulls right here. I don't even believe she gets even up here. Because there's your weekly trend right there. This just shows you how many times she's rejected on it. Sideways, but she came right back in, you see? So here's your daily range. That's your weekly trend. Let's make it red because it was a downtrend. You see that? We'll go back to the week. You can see how it lines up. There it is right there. So everybody can see it. That red line is a weekly trend, you see? Daily, you still see that it's hovering it. It's basically pushed out, closed out, but retest back in. So if it retests back in, this could be a push through, break the trend, retest in here, buy her back up, sell her from here. You see, like this. So 1900, we're gonna go high with it. We're gonna go high with it. We're gonna go right up in here. We're gonna go right on the roof. Right on the roof. So we're gonna give you a small zone right here. I don't even, she has to go there though. She has to go there. She has to go there. We'll do 19,000 to 930. We'll do 19,000 to 930. We should see our drop from there. $19,900 to $19,930. Wow. That little bitty zone right there. That should give us what we want. That literally should give us what we want. Give us what we want. You go to that 4 hour, we'll see it. There she goes. There she goes. Where's your gaps? Oh man, there's your gap right there. She went in right there. Actually, I like it better here. Let's go the other way. Let's go the other way. Let's go 900 to 870. 19,900 to 870. I like 870 better from the 4 hour. Yeah. That's your next big sell position. That's your next big sell position right there. And if you find this right here, if she pulls all the way up here, I don't think she gets past the weekly trend. If she gets past this and comes up here, this is a really good sell to hold. You can find yourself because last time she hit here, look at what she did. She gave you, oh yeah. She gave you almost, what, 34,000 pips? This is NASDAQ. She gave you almost 34,000. From here to here. Boom. Eesh. Eesh. She Willikers Batman. So yeah, I'll be looking for that sale right here. And I'll just wait. I'll let news push it up there and not even be tripping. And not even be tripping. Boom. Like that. Come up here, complete the little W. You see she's trying to complete the W. That's what I like about it. Bang, 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 bang. Come up here. She wants to come up here. This is where she's been. Boom. This is where she's at. This is where she's going. Literally just that simple. Literally just that simple. And I think indices have weak energy right now. So by them having weak energy, anytime they come to higher time frame rejection, this is why I don't think she even gets past the weekly roof. So then you have your options. Then you start playing with option A, option B, option C. Do I want to take trend line rejection? Do I want to take the big sale? Do I want to take a break close retest buy? So that's what makes people trigger down into these small time frames, you see? That's the only reason why most people come down to a 1 hour or 15 minutes and start trying to figure out like where can I find an entry right now? So you start losing the patience and then you start creating your own trends like that. King Ja, what up, baby? Gotta get to work, my dear. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. I like it, sweetie. I appreciate it. What up, Lakita? What up, Lakita? What up, Lakita? I'm telling you, y'all exposing yourself today. Y'all exposing yourself today. Y'all exposing. Yo, Brody, what up, baby? What up, baby? Yeah. So like I said, I see Nas popping up over here. Let me put the numbers in there. Boom. Yes. This is what I will be taking because it's the safest play, biggest move. So it's the lowest risk, highest reward play. If I see this guy push up out of it, I don't want to make any decisions in here, even though I see a common pattern, but I see a lot of bullish momentum from here. So you can just start trying to short her from down here, just saying, oh, yo, she's going to go down. But then you could be wrong. You're making assumptions. So I want to see it either go to the trend, reject from the trend, blast through the trend, and start retesting on the other side of it and work our way up. So I just basically get excited. So I start saying, yo, round about open bail, we should see a really good push up and then a really big wick down, you see? And if I get that wick down, G Willikers Batman. G Willikers Batman. So Jamal, you want to write these prices down, 19,900, 19,870, and eventually as we get all of your stuff set up, you're going to be setting alarms like this, boom. These are alerts, so when gold or NASDAQ reach the price you need it to reach, you can literally, boop, hit the button. Boom, she come in a red zone, you sell her. She comes in a green zone, you buy her, buy out. Literally just that simple. I believe gold is going to do this today. Here, boom, boom. This is what I think gold is going to do. I think she's going to shake people. Sha, sha, sha. Because there's people still in it from right here, you see. I put people in at 3,000 the other night, you see. So people got in at 3,000, so they're holding for 3,000. So you might have a liquidity grab this morning, like a boom, 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 like we did yesterday. You see, yesterday the market came all the way down, boom, and then shot all the way back up. You see that? So I like it. I like it. Let's get your numbers on your sale on gold.
At Smith's Pharmacy, our pharmacists are
31.33.
Don't know what you need? We can help. We have COVID, shingles, pneumonia,
31.30.
Wondering if you're covered? Smiths accepts most insurance plans. You heard
Scalp
of it. Our
sale.
vaccine experts make it easy to get vaccinated, so you can keep being an expert in what you're passionate about. Smiths, a world of
Let's see how
care
good
in
my
store.
1-year-old is being behind me right now. I'm telling you, I got some beautiful kids. Well behaved, great DNA. Like, it's 4:30 in the morning. She ain't ate nothing, she ain't drank nothing. And she super chill back there, just watching her daddy. Watching her daddy. And you know what's so beautiful thing, what's beautiful about this is that subconsciously what I'm teaching and what I'm saying gets put into the brain back there, and she doesn't even realize it. You see? She doesn't even realize it. Bless you, baby. Bless you, baby. Gold is coming. Gold is coming. Let's see what she does. She's pushing. Let's see. Let's see if she pushes in that 3133 to 3130 area and give us some drops like she's doing right here. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Look at that. Yes, that's a good area. That's a good area. Let's go. So she got 70 more pips to get there, 70 pips to get there. I don't suggest anybody jump in for the 70 pips and ride her up to the sale, because at any given time she could drop. But we are about to see. We are about to see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good stretch. I got a back workout today. So I'm excited. And now that we're here, we can go down to a 1 hour. We can see it push up into this next little 1 hour. You got 28 minutes on a 1 hour candle. You got 28 minutes on a 30-minute candle. So this is a fresh candle. These are all small green candles. So when I see the market going up, but I see it going up in small candles, that lets me know like sellers are having an effect in the market. Like the market wants to go up. It wants to just blast up because overall gold is going up for the last 3 years. But what happens is sellers are coming in because you got a lot of retail sellers in here and they're like pressing the sell button. So that's what makes the market literally moves like this versus like this in big candles. So when I see these little small candles, I get super excited when a sell position is close by, because it's showing me that, yo, we want to go higher, but we just don't have enough force. So this is why we're showing up as little bitty candles versus big green candles. So we a little bit scared because these Debos, I think Debo is sitting right here and he gonna take my chain. So I think we're gonna drop the price for a little bit. Like this is what's popping off right now. So this is what we're gonna see. This is what we want to see. So let's see. Bam, 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 bam. That's right, Mr. G. Great parents produce great kids. That's for sure. That's for sure. And for those who know, my 4-year-old Genesis, like she knows what a buying candle is. She knows what a selling candle is. She knows when I'm teaching. She knows when I'm trading. And she's saying it. Daddy, are you going into your office and trade? Are you going to make money? You're going to make a lot of money? Are you going to help the people make money? You see? So these are questions that my 4-year-old are asking me when she sees me in here in the office. So it's like, that's like perfect, you know? She's already had in her mind like, man, my daddy trades, my dad educates, my dad teaches. So she telling me, oh, daddy, you need to buy me, because I got like 2 Macs right here. I got a 45-inch like curved monitor, gaming monitor that I'm live streaming on. So we got a nice little setup. We got the TikTok 6-foot desk, because I don't know about you guys, but I don't like sitting down and trading. Have you ever realized like you've been sitting down your whole life making money and you never really made enough money? So this is why you decided to start trading, because you needed more money and you wanted to learn how your money make your money. But you can't be sitting down on your ass. You know what they say? Get up off your ass and do something. Get up off your ass and do something. So I stand up while I'm trading. I stand up while I'm teaching. I always stand up. I like to stand up. Sometimes I can be in here 4 or 5 hours just like, you know, up with it. Yeah, she'll be teaching the kids. She'll be teaching the kids. We got a trading book coming out for kids. It's gonna be hella nice. We're getting all of the animation done on stuff like that. So it's like a nice little project. It's gonna be a nice little project. So yeah, so now it's the waiting game. 80% wait, 10% buy, 10% sell. 80% wait. So if you find yourself taking a whole bunch of trades, that means you're not prioritizing the 80% of the game. And if you're trying to get busy and active in the 80% of the game, that's why your percentage is going to be shitty and very inconsistent. Anybody got any questions? So you making some money, my guy. What do you say? He always check in. I'll get perfect. Yes, I see. I hear you. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Hey. This is inspirational. I really appreciate you, Mr. H. You're one of a kind. Oh, thank you. Then let me hold $5. Let me hold $5. What we got on US 30? Let's go mark up US 30 while we're waiting on gold. Somebody keep an eye on gold. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the break close retest. BCR number 3 right there. Boom. NASDAQ is out. Shot out. Let's go grab her. Let's delete it all. Let's go find it. And what she do? She literally just made an M on the weekly. She just made an M and then she bankhead bounced up out of there. How big is that candle right here though? Jeez, this weekly candle is shit, 33,000 pips. Damn, Seabass. Damn, Seabass. Kick his ass, Seabass. Let's go find that daily. Look at that daily candle. Let's grab her. Let's grab the floor. Bye, y'all. It's the daily floor. Hell, we even got a wick on the daily roof. Let's take it. Booyah. Now we'll get our 4-hour projections. We got the gap. There's your gap. 4,090, 901. Oop. We're gonna go 40,871. US 30. This is dirty 30. Lower your leverage. 901. Let's get it. Boop. Oh shit. I'm like trying to figure out why it ain't going up. There she goes. Where the numbers go? Oh, they hating. They hating on my numbers. Come on. $40,901. Boom. 40,871. Big sale. Stop hating. Bye, y'all. Right there. There's your sale. There's your sale area right here. We can even move this down just a little bit. We'll find that gap, and we're gonna go from a buy area. Let's go 38, 780. Boom to, oh, that's 39. My bad. People like, that's 39. You can't count. Oh, I can count. I'm just struggling with seeing. Oh, I can count. Let's go under the zone today. Actually, no, we can go right up in here. So we got 39,780. Let's just do a quick little 200 pip zone. We'll go 39,800. We're not gonna do a 300 pip. 39,800. Let's go. Let's go, bye. Put it right in that little gap right here. Right there. Oh yeah. There's the plays, guys. You got a NAS, you got a US 30, you got a gold, and I think we should be good. If I can find some on oil for you, see what oil been doing. I'll just go to the day real quick, clear everything. Oil should be dropping. Oil should be dropping. Oil should be dropping. That's for sure. And she's dropping. That's a daily trend. Boom. That's super simple snap. Snipe. Boom. That's your daily trend. So let's trap it. Well. It's already broke this area, so she for sure coming right here. She's coming here. But that's like 1, 2, that's 3 days. This is the most recent, so she could easily come here. That's like protecting your profits. Because that's yesterday's low. This is day before yesterday's low right here. That's day before yesterday. So she is recently went here, so she could easily retrace that and then come back up from an oversold market. On oil. On oil. So I want to find a sell position. I want to find a sales position. Yeah, 63.7. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. From 25 to 55. That's oil. That's an oil buy if she drops down here. Oil sale is going to be right here. Let me type it up for y'all. 55.24 to 55 point, what did I say? 55. Buy oil, buy out. We're gonna sell her from here, from this gap. 77 down to 47. That's where we're going with her. That's your sale. So you got a 63.77. To 63. What did I give? 47. Bum, bum. Right here. Yeah, so now we'll let news affect the markets and we'll see what she does. Yeah, where Gold sitting at the 22. Yeah, she's like sitting right here. She don't want to activate us. She don't want to get us active in class. Like, you're gonna see right after class, I'm gonna be in the gym doing my back, and all of my alarms gonna be going off, and I ain't gonna be able to take shit because I'm gonna be in the gym. This is how she play her brother. This is how she play her brother. So we have 64 beautiful people in here while we're doing our little off the grid type live this morning. But 44 beautiful people, hit that like button. Don't expose yourself. Don't expose yourself, because you guys that's supposed to transition over are supposed to be my people. Supposed to be my people. But now I realize y'all motherfuckers might have been the issue. Y'all might been the niggas that been snitching. I think I caught y'all. For some push-ups, Ring. For some push-ups. Or some jump squats. There's your oil. There's your oil, Ring. And it's from zone to zone. It's literally nothing in the middle. I'm not trying to make any decisions here. I'm not saying, yo, she's gonna come here, let's buy her back up. Yo, she's gonna come down here, let's sell her down. So Jamal, what you're gonna notice with me, I'm probably one out of a handful of individuals who are consistent in markups and literally preparing from zone to zone and not jumping into anything in the middle. When I start forcing myself to trade because I'm just bored and ain't got nothing else to do, so I'm standing in front of the charts and I'm just like, you know what, I see something, let me just take something until it gets here. If it's closer to here or closer to there, I start trying to see, oh man, she's gonna go down, so I start projecting, and then she starts shifting, and then this is when we start taking losses. This is when we start taking losses. Like that. So we wait, bank, and we wait, bing, right there. Just that simple. Boop, 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 boop. So again, you got oil, you got NASDAQ. Boom, boom. Did I do NASDAQ? I didn't do, oh yeah, I gave y'all NASDAQ. A sell hold. I gave you guys a sell hold on NASDAQ, right there. And it's like Narnia. That's like Narnia. But I think from that candle right there, we can see Narnia shit today. We can see Narnia. You got gold. That's my Monday position. This is where we are for the week. Now you see how I keep telling y'all, like it's so simple. Find a position on Monday, hold her for the week, unless you like get clipped out. But normally if you just hold the trade for 2-3 days, that little profit, most of you guys have never had like a $200 trade or a $500 trade or $1,000 trade is because you never hold the trade. I took 10 cents. Actually, I bought in with 0.50 and then just let her run, and I just started siphoning off profits as she started breaking through levels, taking partials, taking partials, taking partials, and then I left the 0.10 to run. When I left the 0.10, I said, yo, whatever it is whatever it is. I put myself in stop loss. My stop loss is sitting right here. Let me show you guys how it's doing. My stop loss is right at the top of this wick right now for $400. You see? For $400. I have a floating, let's see. I have a floating 810 right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me make it big. I might need to clean my little camera real quick. Clean that camera off. Boom. There it is. That's a floating 800. That's a floating 800. You see? So that's $800 in the float that you can just hold, let it just see what it does. if she blasted through this zone, I'm like happy from here. But I'm sad that most of my guys would take this sell and get their ass blasted. But selling gold right now is extremely risky because gold is overall going up. So you can never go wrong just pressing the buy button and say, yo, I'll look at it 6 months from now, 3 months from now, like that. Hit up, what's happening? The legendary buy. Yes, the legendary buy. The boop, boop, boop. Man. She went all the way up, almost like 1,000 pips. Came all the way back down to 29.70. 29.70. I put a hella over leverage right here. And then just closed it out by accident because I was like, yo, let me cipher something. Then hit close versus partials. I said, God dang it. Somebody said, oops, I'm driving, my bad. I got you though. Okay, Markel, I see you, bro. I see you. It's okay. So those are your plays. You got a US 30. US 30 is looking good. You got US 30, you got NAS, you got oil, you got gold. And you got 2 plays on each. Boom, boom. So I gave you guys 2, 4, 6, 7. You guys got 7 plays this morning. Got to love it. So y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. I'm gonna head to the gym and we're gonna see what's gonna hit. I think gold should be the first to hit, to be honest with you, because it's the closest. It's the closest to our range. It's like 100 pips away, like 130 pips away from our aggressive. So keep an eye on her. She'll tap in. She'll drop real quick. It's literally, like I said, sorry guys, it's a scalp sale. Your markers, I think I might be a little late to the gym. I'll probably go to the gym later, bro, to be honest with you. Because I'm gonna take care of the little one, you know. I ain't gonna just go dump off on my mama at 5 a.m. But I'm gonna hit that back later. And if you wanna wait, I'll come to your gym and then we can do the back over there at your spot. Let me know. So I love you guys, man. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. I appreciate the beautiful people that then showed up. I always appreciate the individual who just basically taps in. I like to assume that the individuals who did not like the live, they were just like individuals who were just passing through. But you still got 65 beautiful people in here, 56 likes. So we're literally like right off the money, like 9 people like, I don't understand it. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what the thumb buttons are. You know, those guys. But it's all gravy. But you got great plays today. And if I just go by, like last week, I went 10-1. Imagine 10-1 in a crazy market. I went 10-1 for almost 8,000 something pips last week. Alex went 10-0, so we getting close. So now we're getting close. So you guys take care, man. I'm gonna put myself on daddy duty because my baby girl deserves it. Because if she's gonna wake up with that early energy and be nice during class, sheesh. I got the love. I got the love on her right now. This is. You know, so what did they say? Martha, are you in our organization? Who you signed up under, Martha? How would you like your push-ups in one video or a couple? Oh, you can mix them up. But Danielle, when you be doing them push-ups, you know what I'm saying, the way you knocking them out, like I might need to get some different variations, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to do them all flat. You can do them in an angle. You can do them like decline. You can put your feet on the couch and get it in. You know what I'm saying? You got to mix it up because you're going to burn yourself out trying to give me a quick 500. You know, you can give it to me. Every time you do them, 20 push-ups, send me a 20-second video, 10-second video. Like that. So listen, guys, whenever you guys basically hit these things, show some love. Because again, It ain't easy jumping on at 4 in the morning on the West Coast, 7 in the morning on the East Coast, on daddy duties, and literally projecting entries, exits in the financial market that is live. So we have a crazy news day today. Not too crazy, but we had the international trade agreements yesterday. So the market should show reflections of that. So I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Deuces, beautiful people. What up, Jen? What up, Jenny Jen? What up, Jenny Jen? Deuces.